Picture yourself in the 2019 Buick Cascada. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Buick Cascada, the refined and luxurious convertible that meets your demands for driving pleasure as well as safety. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, satellite radio, backup camera, remote engine start, fog lamps, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, Wi-Fi hotspot. Feel the pleasure of the drive in the Cascada. Take it for a spin today.